Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this RHINOSHIELD tempered glass lens protector for iPhone 11, 12 mini, 12, iPad Air 4 from 5 to 10.9 inch. Scratch resistant, 9H level hardness, provides scratch protection against everyday objects such as keys, coins and even knives. Water and oil repellency. Hydrophobic oleophobic coating provides resistance against finger smudges, grays, dirt and marks caused by moisture. Dust and water defense. Tight seal keeps water and dust away from the camera lenses and does not fog up the lenses in humid environments. Color accurate aluminum trim. Features anodized aluminum lens trims that are accurately color matched to the device. Well, nice all that. Let's open to see what we have inside. Install it to my iPhone 12 and see how well I can take a photo, take a video. Video installation. Stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. RHINOSHIELD installation kit. I like the package. RHINOSHIELD guide sticker autocollant, the stickers for removing any dust, cleaning cloth, and we have this squeegee for tempered glass alignment. It helps a lot. And the tempered glass for the lens is so small. Well, let's bring my iPhone and start the installation. iPhone 12, you need to clean the lens before applying the tempered glass. Clean it very well, and we can see it's the same color with the foam. Remove the sticker. Just press. And it fits perfect. We can see the difference between the cover and without the cover. Clean again the other lens before applying. Same process, remove the sticker. And that was all. So easy. It's looking great. The same color with the foam.